Hello and welcome to Deck Builder San Jose, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today, we're focused on a part of deck construction that you see every day and rely on for safety: your railings. When homeowners think about a new deck, they often focus first on the surface boards, colors, and layout. Railings come up later, sometimes as a quick choice at the end. But railings are one of the most important parts of any deck, especially if it's elevated. They keep people safe, define the edges of your outdoor space, and have a big impact on how your deck looks and feels. Let's start with safety and code. Railings have to meet certain height and spacing requirements, so people can lean on them without risk, and so kids cannot slip through. The posts need to be anchored properly. The top rail has to feel solid in your hand, and the spacing between balusters or panels has to stay within set limits. A professional deck builder will know these rules and build your railing system to meet or exceed them. Now let's talk about materials. You'll often see wood railings, metal railings, and composite or vinyl systems. Wood can match a wood deck nicely, but it usually needs more maintenance, such as painting or staining, to keep it looking sharp. Metal railings can offer a slim profile and strong feel with less bulk. Composite railings are designed to pair with composite decking and provide a low-maintenance, consistent look across the whole deck. Composite options from brands like Fiberon can give you a durable railing system that doesn't need frequent repainting and is easier to keep clean than some wood railings. You should also think about how you want the space to feel. Do you want a more open view toward your yard or landscape? In that case, you might consider thinner balusters, cable systems, or even sections of glass, depending on your local code and what works for your home. If you prefer a more traditional or private look, solid balusters or mixed material railings might be a better fit. Stairs and landings deserve special attention. Rails along stairs must be comfortable to grip and solid under pressure. At landings and transitions between deck levels, you want railings that guide movement naturally and don't create awkward pinch points. Good design makes it easy and safe to move from the house to the deck and from the deck down to patios, walkways, or the yard. You can reach our team at 408-831-7954 or visit toughdeckbuildersanjose.com if you'd like help choosing a railing system that fits your deck, your budget, and your safety needs. We'll walk you through options, explain the pros and cons, and make sure everything is installed to perform for the long term. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders San Jose. When you're ready to build or upgrade a deck with railings that look good and feel solid, Tough Deck Builders San Jose is here to help.